What happened last night across this area is not unfamiliar to many Nashvillians. You heard Phil Williams just talk about a few minutes ago what happened in 2008 on Super Tuesday. If you rewind another 10 years back to 1998, you will see some eerily similar details. News Channel 5's Jennifer Krause takes a look.
There it is. Go inside. No, get inside.
As News Channel 5 meteorologist Henry Rothenberg and photojournalist Dan Blum watched from the back door of the station as the massive tornado moved over Germantown overnight, it was eerily similar to this scene captured from the very same spot by another News Channel 5 photographer in 1998. When another huge tornado hit very close to home and struck right in the heart of Music City. That tornado 22 years ago on the afternoon of April 16th followed a very similar path. First touching down near the intersection of Charlotte and 46th Avenues in West Nashville, then crossing into downtown where it knocked News Channel 5 off the air. It then decimated much of East Nashville before slamming into the Donaldson Hermitage area. The only death in 98 was a young man who was killed by a falling tree at Centennial Park. But the large trail of destruction left in the tornado's wake was immense and significant. The historic trees that once welcomed President Jackson home to the Hermitage were gone. East Nashville turned blue under a sea of tarps that covered countless roofs on damaged homes. Yet everywhere there was damage, you also found people coming together, working together to rebuild homes, lives, and the city. Now we find ourselves again trying to come to terms with widespread devastation across the city. Our neighborhoods in pieces, our neighbors in pain. But remember how the tornado 22 years ago tore a hole in our hearts, and remember how we came back from it, and believe we will do it again.